What is data type? We know that variables can hold values of different data types called as data type. We need different data types to store different type of values in variables. Example, a person age is stored in a number. His name is made up of only characters and his address is in mixture of numbers and characters. Python has various standard data types that used to find the operations possible on them and storage them each for each of them. In programming language we have different data types. Example numeric data type, sequential data type, mapping data type, boolean data type, set type and binary type. Integer data type stores whole numbers, no decimal points. In float data types stores decimal numbers means real numbers. Complex data type stores number with real and imaginary part. Example 4 plus 9j. Sequential data type stores collection of order elements such as characters and numbers. Sequential data type we have strings, tuple and lists. In strings, it stores text and also it is immutable. Means cannot change after creation. Example: Hello world. In list, we can store different data types and it is a mutable. Mutable means can be modified after creating a list. Tuple can store similar data types, but it is immutable. It means can't be changed after creation. Set is an unordered collection of unique elements. A set have no duplicate values, unordered and mutable. Example: A is equals to 1 2 3, B is equals to 3 4 5. Then A union B, A intersection B and A differences B. In dictionaries, a dictionary is a key value paired collection where each key maps to a value and key are unique and but values can be duplicate. And it is a mutable. There are some different data types and also with some examples. Now the given examples are seen in Python programming language.
Python, we can easily find a variable type. In this, A is hello world, is type is string type. Let us print it. Yes. If B is equals to 20, then type B is equals to integer type. It's a integer type. Yes. If C is equals to 20.5, then its type is variable type is float type. If D is equals to 4j, then it is complex data type. If E is equals to with the square brackets apple, banana and cherry, then E data type is list type. If F with the curly brackets apple and banana and cherry same as, then the data type is tuple. G is a key value pair collection where each key maps to a value. The data type is dictionary. If H is equal to apple, banana, cherry with flower brackets, the data type is sets. Set. Each variable have different data types.